this side, and also this side. Because of this part, two hands up until here, also hard, and here stiff. So what I'm do? Wow, so loud, pop pop. And two hands at the back, finger lock finger. Now structure back your whole spine. In, out. Yes, hear the sound, pop, 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 pop. Press up, down, stay on my hand. Perfect. This is what I want. Wow, so loud. And over here. Wow. And pull your ear. Ear also got sound for the headache migraine. Hip. Hear the sound, oh, chop, chop. Another ear over here. Yep. And all your fingers. And see your two hands from this side, easy up. Wow, so nice. I believe I can fly. And L5 super painful, and here S1 super. So your main problem is here, this side, and also this side. These two compression your knee. Okay. And press now check on your knee. This is a maximum. See, cannot bend anymore, cannot go down anymore. You can feel the tension and painful. Okay, leg put over here and try to open from the side. Oh my God, what's this? Cannot open at all. Painful, huh? YOLO, like an old lady lah. Hey, yeah. See, more than 6 fingers. See, cannot open. Now your knee. You see, I slowly touch on your patella. Here, super pain. Okay, enough. 2 fingers touch also pain, and 1 finger touch also very pain. Okay. And fix here. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. One.
Refund. Oh, if I cannot walk.
3, 4. After that, everything in position. Now, see, more soften. Open your leg. Here. And 5. Come on, baby. Now walk, just normal walk. No need to limping. No need to limping. Big step. Yeah, see? I give you back 6 months.
It's a miracle.
Yeah, good. No need to refund. Hello, I'm Chris Leong. A lot of people got holding the handphone not right. Affect a lot of like headache, migraines, hand numbness. Quite a number of people now, they are holding the phone like this. If this is called a 60-degree, then they have a 40 pounds over ear pressure. If this is a called correct way. If it's possible, you try to holding the phone on your chest level or eye level, or you can holding like this. This is correct way. Then no pressure on the neck. It will not damage your spine.